Spotty Dotty Show. A special day for Mom.
Oh, I love this picture of my mom and I. It's the time of the year when we get to celebrate mothers. A mother is not someone that carries you in her belly only, but someone that carries you in her heart and cares for you. The world is a better place because of mothers. But it's not always easy being a mother. It's a lot of work. So, how about you join me in creating a special day for our mom?
Why is your mom special?
Because she loves me and she plays with me. My mommy helps people and she loves me so much. I love my mom. Because she kisses me and gives hugs to me. And then she spends time with me going to the playground outside. What makes my mom special is that she's kind. What makes my mom special is that she plays with me all the time. My mom is Freddie. My mom is Freddie. And I love her so much. I love her so much. And he takes me to the park. And he takes me to the park. And he plays with me. And he plays with me. And he's nice and he does me love. He gives me hugs. And he gives me hugs.
Do you know how to say mommy in other languages? In Portuguese, you say mamãe. In French, you say maman. And in Hebrew, you say ima.
Mama, I love you and you are so cool. I made a little dance just thinking of you. You lift your arms together making the letter M, and then you do the A and the M again. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, I love you and you are so cool. I made a little dance just thinking of you. You lift your arms together making the letter M, and then you do the A and the M again. Mama, 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 mama. Let's dance. Mama, 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 mama.
Hey, Bouncy. Today's a very special day. Can you tell us what moms want for Mother's Day?
Moms feel appreciated when receiving flowers, a thoughtful card, a clean house, a cooked meal, a massage, and having happy kids around.
That will surely make Mom happy, especially having happy kids around. Because that's every mom's goal, to raise amazing kids. Do you know what you can get by obeying, respecting, and honoring Mom and Dad every day? A good and long life. You will not only bring a smile on their face, but you will get a reward too. Let's make Mother's Day as special as they are. Cards are a great way to express how we feel about someone. How about we make a Mother's Day card for Mommy? The materials that we'll need are 2 pieces of paper, scissors, a pencil, glue, markers, ruler, and a cup or a bowl, anything that is round. First, we're going to grab our both sheets of paper and fold it in half.
I did the two ends.
Good. Now you can press it. Now we're going to separate the papers because we don't need them to be together right now. Put the white paper, the one that you're going to leave in the back, down, and give me the colorful paper. Okay, so now let's grab our cup. All right, first we're going to make the sun. I'll be making the sun, okay? First we're going to bring the bowl halfway in on the paper, halfway outside of the paper, and then outline it. And then I'll make the little sun rays. Just make little triangles.
Open it. And see what happens.
I'm going to cut it now.
Oh no.
Yay! It's okay. It's the sun!
It's a star now.
Yeah, I know. This is our first design. Let's go to the next one. Next, we'll be making the hearts. It's an easy design. I'll show you how. Put the cup right on the edge of the folded paper. And now, trace it.
Stop right there.
So now you have half of the cup traced. The other half, you're going to use the ruler. From that point, you're going to go all the way through the paper. Go ahead. Now you're going to cut it.
As long as I make it. He made it! And I'm gonna make it open!
A heart. All right.
A small heart?
Yeah.
A big one.
Our next design will be the butterfly. It's easy too. We're going to use the cup again. First, just outline the cup on the one half of the paper. Good job. And now, using the cup again, you're gonna make another circle. Now,
Cut it.
you can cut it. Hold the paper. Follow the line. All right, now we have a sun, a butterfly, and a
Heart.
heart. Very nice. We're going to now put it on inside our card. Okay, the next step, we need to cut a rectangle. A little rectangle. After you cut out your rectangle, we're going to fold it in half. Now we're going to fold it long ways. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yay! And we're going to cut a little sliver right in the middle, just a little bit, just a little cut. Right here, grab your scissors, do a little cut, very small.
I did it.
Good. All right, you folded that rectangle and you cut the slivers. Now we're going to fold it. Go like this. Fold the ends where you cut it.
How?
Just like that. Fold it. You're gonna have...
Look.
Yes!
I did it.
You did it. Very nice. Okay, now let's put our card together. So this is just an option, something you can do, you don't have to. So on the back side, I'm going to glue it. So on mine, I glue down the other piece of paper where I cut this from. On the little paper that you cut, you're going to put glue on the ends, on the little legs that you cut. And now you're going to glue, see the center here? We're gonna cut it, we're gonna facing up, facing the opening is gonna be up. You're going to put it right in the middle. So on the other side, you're going to glue your little design. Let's glue right on it. Right in the middle. Ready? Now we have to write a special message for Mommy inside. What do you guys want to write?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, that's a good one. And what about you?
I love you.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, grab a marker.
Green.
I'm going to write, you are my sunshine. Here it is. Here are our cards. You can open and see. Mine says, you are my sunshine. And what does yours say?
I love you.
Nice. And what does yours say?
Happy Mother's Day.
Nice. Now remember, you can make any design you like and you can decorate it the way you want. You can add sparkles, you can add color, you can do anything you want as long as you express yourself and tell her how you feel. She's going to love it. Flowers never die in a painting. How about we paint Mommy a picture of a vase full of flowers that she will keep forever? This time we're going to use a fork, Q-tips, our brushes, and our fingers. Let me show you how. Flowers, check. Card, check. Happy kids, check. We forgot to clean up the house. And for all the songs that Mommy sang to you at night, take a little time and sing one for her too.
Mommy, you are beautiful to me. I can hear your heartbeat. Even when you are far, you live inside my heart. I thank God for you every day, for teaching me to love and pray, for guiding me along the way. You are my shining star. Mommy, everything that you give me, love, affection, and safety, you don't ever stop because of who you are. I thank God for you every day, for teaching me to love and pray, for guiding me along the way. You are my shining star. Mommy, you are so special to me, and today is your day. All I wanted to say is Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Mothers are special all around the world, doing the most important job of raising the next generation. And for that, we wish you a Happy Mother's Day! Did you enjoy this video? Remember to like and subscribe to the Spotty Dotty Show.